The most revealing part of the leak? How the drone connects. It's hooked up to a GRC controller via cable, with a live video feed right on the screen. This tells us DJI's focus is crystal clear. Lowest latency, absolute transmission stability. This isn't a casual FPV toy. The Avata 360 is serious hardware for creators who demand precision. The controller looks a lot like the DJI RC2. That's huge for existing DJI pilots. You don't have to learn a whole new system. DJI wants this drone to feel like an extension of what you already own, lowering the barrier for creators stepping into 360 degrees filming. The body design is compact, think whoop style, with thick propeller guards. This isn't a long-range racing drone, it's designed for controlled indoor or corridor flying. Smooth movement and safety take priority over raw speed. Here's the game changer. The camera module. Full 360 degrees capture is standard, but one lens tilts forward like a traditional FPV camera. That means you can switch on the fly between 360 recording and traditional FPV shooting. No extra gear, no setup time, just flexibility. Solo creators, this is a massive workflow improvement. Packing dual lenses, stabilization, and zero-delay FPV in one compact body is computationally heavy. It increases heat and weight, which impacts flight time. DJI needs to balance performance, thermal management, and reliability without compromising safety. Leaked markings hint at a next-generation transmission system. Close-range flying is all about trust. One dropped frame can lead to a crash. A stronger link ensures video feed reliability and gives creators full control, even in tight or tricky spaces. Another leak shows spare batteries and a charging hub. This tells us DJI expects short, frequent flights, the kind of realistic usage that FPV and cine-style creators actually do, not inflated, marketing battery numbers. Early leaks suggest, base model, affordable for enthusiasts. Fly more combo. Around $1,000. That positions the Avata 360 perfectly between cheap DIY rigs and expensive cinema drones, high capability, high accessibility. The DJI Avata 360 isn't just another drone. It's a flying 360 degrees cameraman that combines FPV thrill with 360 flexibility. Simplifies creative workflow, prioritizes safety and transmission reliability. For solo filmmakers and content creators, this could change the game entirely. If you're hyped for this hybrid powerhouse, hit subscribe, share, and ring the bell for all the latest drone updates.